I got some new stuff today. Insta360. All right, so they sent me these, but they didn't really tell me what I need to say or what I need to include in the video. I'm just here to tell you what I think about this. If you're not an Insta360 person, because the new X6 just came out, which sounds amazing and it looks all good, but that's a 360 camera. This isn't a 360 camera. This is more like a action camera. The camera that just records your life, your personal thing without having the whole 360 part of it. That's why there's a flip up screen, the small little thing can come out. It's a pretty awesome, small, tiny camera. It is 39 gram, super light, 4K video, hands-free POV due to head strap, neck strap, things like that. Magnetic mounting system, which is nice for quick releases. I hate twisting that thing. It's just, this is the way to go. It has flow state stabilization and horizontal lock. So if you're biking, if you're running, if you're doing those kind of activity, the horizontal lock is really nice for people to watch, for yourself to rewatch it. Also, a 2.2-inch flip touchscreen. You need that flip screen, especially if you're just recording yourself. I love flip screen. I love flip screen. All my cameras need to have one. Remote control and live view preview. Cool part is you can put the camera anywhere and then the back part becomes a remote control. It's waterproof up to 10 meters, 30 feet. That's deep. That's, you can go swimming in any swimming pool and you can just bring this with you. To record all those things, it's very nice to have. AI power editing. That is something I'm super interested in trying, because what is that? Like AI editing? You mean I can just shoot, record, and then it will just edit for me? I'm gonna test it out later. But for now, let's just take a look at what's inside these things and we can just talk about that. This is all just manuals and cables. Cable. I always like cables. I have a lot. Too much. There's the camera. Tiny little thing. Look at how small this is. A white one. Holy smokes. Oh my God, it's smaller than my Go Ultra. This is pretty awesome that it's not big at all. That's sick. Oh my God, that is small. Okay, I like it. There's this button right here. You press it and you take out the front. Wow, I dig how light that is. Record button on top. You got the screen here. Magnet mounts on the bottom. This is for suction magnet. Okay, and here is the tripod magnet that we were talking about. There we go. Magnet. How awesome is that? You press the two buttons to release it, but that's it. Yes. This is a neck collar. Hell yeah. I love the fact that it has this. And then you got this. It clips onto your hat. So there it is. Little hat clip right there. And then the camera just goes right in there, just like that. That's it. How easy is that? And then it just clips onto your hat, and then you can adjust however you like if you're wearing a hat like that. Sick. That is cool. That is extremely neat. This is super interesting right here. This is a quick reader. So if I'm, let's say, trying to transfer photos from my camera to my computer, I really don't like when I have to take out the SD card. I'm just not a fan. Like taking out the SD card, putting the SD card back in. I'm not a fan of that. So something like this is super awesome. So this back part just slides, USB Type-C or to a phone, but this is kind of old. There's no phone that kind of has this, the iPhone style. But USB Type-C right there. You can put your SD card in there and have it work as well. The cool part is it just connects like that, and yeah, just transfer. Yeah, I love it. I love this. And it's just a magnet. Nice. This is a cool one. This is the Insta360 Go 3S Retro Bundle Special Edition. So this becomes a tiny, tiny camera that you can just bring around. And I love the fact that it's small. It's not too small because that thing is too small. And it's kind of awkward to hold if you're gonna carry it around. You might lose it, that's the only thing. And then like taking a picture off it is not fun, it's not enjoyable. Something like this is what makes photography fun. It's something like this is what the whole point is all about. The mount for it, little manual to show you how it's done. But this is the camera. This tiny little thing is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm excited about. Look at this. Look at this tiny little thing. Oh my goodness. What? Okay, hold on. I thought my camera, I was supposed to remove the camera from this to put to this, but apparently it comes with its own camera. This is something else. I'm just gonna leave that alone. This already has a camera on it. That is super sick. No way. There's a thing here. Look, you can see my hand. Let me see if I can have it. Okay, see my hand? See? This is the lens right here. This is what you're looking through, top viewfinder. And then you can see my hand here. That's what you look through and that's what you shoot. How cool is that? That is so sick. Yo, that is so cool. Oh my God. Viewfinder image this is just too sick. So this little piece right here stays in the bottom. That piece. This piece is apparently also a cover for the top viewfinder. And that's how you use selfie mode. It's pretty interesting. Didn't know that's like, a thing. That's how you're gonna use it. So now it's charging. It's charging my camera, plus I can continue to shoot with it. So the way to do it is it has to be disconnected and this thing has to come from the front, just like that. So you remove the back covering. This is the back covering when you don't want to use the charger. So this back covering comes right on top. This back covering comes right on top. Boom, snap it in like that. There you go. What up? It also comes with a cool strap. Oh, this strap is sick. And stickers to represent the dope, cool tech that Insta360 makes. This is actually a legit strap. I like these type of strap. Oh yeah. It's so small too. Hold up. Look what it comes with. Look what you can also get. This is a case that you can put that camera in. And it makes it so nice. Look at this. Let's go. Oh, leather? You guys just know what to do, huh? Wow. Yes, sir. That being said, hold on. Does that mean I can... Hold up. What does this fit? Is that what it fits? Ah, yes. Yes. All right, I'm gonna charge this thing. Now it's charging. Anyways, this is the viewfinder that you look at. And the cool part is that... Actually, no. I think this is how it's supposed to go. There you go. All right, so the camera has to be in the middle because then when you're looking at it, and the cool part about it, the whole thing, what is this? The whole thing is that there's a button right here. This is the button. So like when you're looking at it, you can press it and it'll snap the picture. And that's the whole point of like taking a picture with it. That's the camera. Just press this, take a picture. Let's see if I can hold it to turn it off. Yeah, hold it to turn it off. It's charging. That's what the red light means. Press it to turn it on. And then now you remove the lid for the viewfinder that we were talking about right here. And I just look and I take a picture. Let me see, I take a picture of this camera setup. It's not a electronic viewfinder. You can't see what you just shot. So with that being said, you want to turn on the sound. You want to connect it to something like this, just so you can set it up, or you can connect it to your app and set it up that way. So you don't need to buy that. If you don't have that, it's not like something you need to buy extra just to use this thing. So that's pretty neat. It's pretty nice that you don't have to buy more stuff just to use the product that you're trying to use. Beautiful, beautiful case. You see if this connects to this really nicely. Oh, what you guys think about this? Yes. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's all we have. Let's go test it out. But I gotta go back to work. We'll do that in a minute.